Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a plan on Tripadvisor. So first, you must choose the place you want to go, or like the country, for example, and then or you can just scroll down, and then this is just an example. So for example, Washington, that one I can just tap on the heart on the top right, and so after I tap on the heart there, now I can create a plan. So it's safe places you like to visit, and then keep track of notes and share and collaborate on your plans. Now I name my trip and then create. Now I've created summer trip. Now I can just tap view and see the plan that I'm making, and then I can add the trip dates, and so for example by days, so I can make the and then I choose how many days, and then now I can create like the itinerary of this trip. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.